Hi everyone! Okay, I'm going to perform a sequence of transformations on this triangle JKL. Okay, the first transformation I'm going to perform is a rotation 180 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. So I'm going to click on rotate around point, I'm going to click on my triangle, and then I'm going to rotate around the origin. So I have a point there, and I'm going counterclockwise, and then I'm going to say at 180 degrees. Okay, so this is just to show you guys what it kind of looks like when I do that transformation. Okay, so then I'm going to perform another transformation, but on the image. Okay, so I'm going to perform a transformation on triangle J prime, K prime, L prime. So the transformation I'm going to perform on this triangle is a reflection across the x-axis. So I'm going to click on J prime, K prime, L prime, and reflect it across the x-axis. Okay, so I have, again, those transformations that I performed were a rotation of JKL 180 degrees counterclockwise around the origin, and then I reflected J prime, K prime, L prime across the x-axis.